again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.